About 20 seconds from the zone. There it is, right there on top. Right there. Okay. It's about 10 seconds from the zone. I'll pull out, give you a GPS after the video. It's the same location. Everything's the same narrative, same drone, same everything. Same mountains. There it is right there on top. That was really, again, that was really fast. That was hard to see. There it is on the bottom. Very hard to see, very fast. Trying to keep the camera steady, trying to keep a good focus. He's now over the zone. He should start to turn now, turn to the left. Come on, start to bank. And then when you start to bank, this is where the tags really start to increase. Come on, start turning. Right about here. I'm going to back up a little. There it is right there on top. Come on. Back up a little. I'll give you a GPS after the vid. I don't want to lose any drone activity. Turned around. Here's a quick GPS. Okay, what are you going to do? Going to go in a circle? I would think he'd want a circle because there were just too many drones right there. He had to see a few of them. So, he's pretty much in the zone. There it is, right there. There was a clear one. Down, it just went down. There was a, what the, look at this. Oh my God, it's like a beehive now. I think that's a bird. There's like a beehive. Look at, did you just see that zigzag drone? There it is again. Oh, brother, what a video. There it is again on the bottom. There it is on top. Jeez, it's a beehive. Oh, brother. He doesn't, he sees them. There it is right there, went right in front of his window. There is another one. Jeez, they're straight down. No, these are not bugs, these are not birds. They're doing this for him. They're doing this for the pilot. Come on, circle again. He's got to circle because there's just too much activity.